Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and I had promised to show you guys the October Vegancuts snack box, and well, Austin got to it before I did. And that man loves his snacks, so he devoured quite a few of them before I could show you the box. But he is not home right now, and the November box arrived in December, which I went on a rant about that in the beauty box unboxing, so I'm not going to do that in this one. Let's go ahead. I want to look through all the snacks, show you everything, and then I might try one or two with you guys. So let me go ahead and show you what comes in a typical month's Vegancuts snack box. So much like the beauty box, you get the cute little card to tell you what this box is sponsoring. So this box supports Josie and Friends at Heartwood Haven in Mawana, Washington, which I don't know if I'm saying that right. But so this supports the same farm sanctuary as the beauty box does this month. And it looks like we have 10 products in this box, which is typical. There's usually 10 products. And then it says plus 3 bonus snacks of our favorite subscriber. It's you. Oh. They're throwing in 3 bonuses. Okay, they worded that weird sometimes, and I say this a lot, and it's because I'm just a kind of a weirdo with writing. I do not like some of the copy a lot of these subscription boxes put out, but that's just me being nitpicky. So let's go ahead and look at this. So from New York Chips, we have wavy sea salt chips. So getting a bag of chips or 2 or 3 even is very typical in the box. So let's see, does it tell us the cost on this? I never look at this card. No, it doesn't tell us the cost of the snacks on this box. So we're just gonna pull them out and look at them. So we have these chips. And then from Kibo, we have Chickpea Chips. These are Himalayan salt. I wanna say this is the brand that does like a salsa or pico de gallo flavor that neither me and Austin like. It's very weird, but I think Himalayan sea salt would be a lot more accessible. It looks like that might be all the chips we get in this one. Then we have from Ticino the Chicory Herbal Coffee, and this is caffeine free and acid free. This is their French roast, and it says it brews 6 cups. So I've gotten something similar to this from this brand before, and I just brewed it up in my regular coffee maker, and it was delicious. So I like getting stuff like this personally, me, because a lot of times when they send like bars or energy bars or snack bars or stuff, there's always peanut butter in them, and I don't like peanut butter. I really like getting these interesting drinks and tea mixes and stuff. They're my favorite part of the box. And along that route, that kind of vein, let's go over these teas they sent along. Are these part of the freebies, I would think? Oh no, these are included in the box. So it is the Turmeric Ashwagandha herbal tea and the Chamomile mint citrus herbal tea. I think one of these came in my Kinder beauty box, but I don't think it was either of these flavors. I did have it the other night. I think it was a chamomile, but I don't think there was mint or citrus in it. So those are good. I enjoyed that tea, so those will probably be good too. Also along the lines of a drink, there is from Cure a hydration balancing electrolyte mix. This is in the flavor Wild Thing Berry Pomegranate. There's that. Stuff like this I usually don't like adding to water and drinking, so I will save things like this for when I'm making a smoothie in the flavors that would complement whatever flavor this is. So berry pomegranate would probably go good in any kind of berry smoothie, so I'd probably throw this in that. Next we have a bar from Blake's Seed Based, and this is a pumpkin spice rice crispy treat. So that sounds pretty yummy. Another little bar type thing from Emmy's Organic. This is a vanilla bean organic coconut cookie. So anytime there's a cookie in the box, Austin gobbles those up immediately. He is a cookie loving man. He loves a cookie. So the next item is something we've gotten from the box before, but in a different iteration. I want to say the last one I got was flavored or something, but this is from New Nature. It is their Superfood 100% pure date syrup. I love getting date syrup in boxes because I really enjoy date syrup, and it means I don't have to go out and buy it. So win-win there. But yeah, date syrup's really delicious. If you've never tried it, like It's good in coffee. It's good on toast with a nut butter. It's really good in all kinds of applications. You can even use it in baking. It's pretty yummy stuff. And then from the brand Tom and Luke's, we have fruit and nut snack balls. These are salted caramel snack balls. Austin usually gobbles up the little snack balls too. He's very into these kind of things. This is more something I would go for. I usually like when they include the little nut packs. So this is from Karma, and it's just sea salt wrapped cashews. I like these little things. They're great snacks for when we have to be on a long car ride. I like throwing something like this in my purse. I actually have, from a previous box, some maple walnuts in my purse. I took to the movies with us the other day just because I didn't want to buy movie snacks. But we had went after dinner, so I didn't end up getting hungry. But like, that's a perfect example for these little nut packs. They're so great to just throw in your purse and take anywhere. And then the last item in the box is a big one. This is from FOMO Nomo High Key. It's their soft baked breakfast biscuits. I can't talk. And they're in mixed berry flavor. I feel like Austin's gonna be obsessed with these because even though they look like really nutty and fruity and healthy, they look like cookies too, and he's obsessed with cookies. So this is a huge box, and so every once in a while you will get a huge like full-size box of something, which is really cool. The only thing I don't like that they send once in a while, I mean aside from peanut butter products, but that's just a personal taste thing, sometimes they'll send like tea drinks or energy drinks in a can, and I just personally don't like drinking anything out of a can for the most part. And I don't really like energy drinks, and I don't really like tea drinks, so I never end up liking those. Austin will usually try them, and if he likes it, he'll drink it. If he doesn't, he'll just let it sit on the table until it's nighttime and time to go to bed, and he just dumps it out. So, yeah, I don't like when they send canned drinks, but aside from that, I do generally like most of the stuff they send. Even if I don't end up liking the taste of it, I like getting to try it. So I went through the list to see what was the freebies that were included. So it looks like I only got 2 bonus snacks, which is kind of whack, but whatever. I got the Kibo, that was the bonus snack, and the Ticino, which was also a bonus. So I guess they forgot one for me. Okay, so we are quickly losing the light because Austin called and took up several minutes of my time. But before the sun completely goes down, let's go ahead and try one of these snacks. Let's try the High Key Soft Baked Breakfast Biscuits, which is such a mouthful. I know I'm not going to be able to get this little tab out of here without ripping it. Oh, I did. So, oh, this is cute. They come in these little individually wrapped. Actually, I don't know if I want to try this. It feels kind of hard. So here's what they look like. Not exactly like the packaging. The packaging is obviously going to make it look prettier. They feel hard, but they're not hard at all. They're very easy to bite into. Really sweet. Sweeter than I like, so Austin will like them. And you don't get any of the... You don't get any of like the things they show on here, like the grains, the seeds, the dried berries. None of that's in big chunks, so it's not like getting stuck in my teeth or anything. This is actually better than I thought it would be, but maybe, for me personally, a bit too sweet. So, I mean, that's just how it goes. I know Austin's gonna love these though. He's gonna be obsessed with these. So that was the November 2021 Vegancuts snack box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you'd like to see me share what comes in the snack box more often, let me know. I'd love to do taste test videos in the future. Probably not anytime soon because I'm not big on just opening snacks just to try them. But when Austin's able to film with me, he will just try everything. But he's going through some dental work right now that we have to get finished up, so he can't really be in a taste test video just yet. But perhaps in the future we can do more taste test videos because I think that would be fun. But if you like these unboxing type videos, let me know. And like I said, if you enjoyed the video, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button. And otherwise, I'll talk to you all later. Bye!